Mm. Beets are one of those vegetables that so sweet, you know, but they remind you that they're from the earth. So when you taste them, first you have the sweetness, and then there's a really earthy flavor from them. And the more you cook them, the sweeter they get. For me, I just can't get enough of them. Mmm, very good. And today we're gonna make a beet salad. And I like big beets. I like big full-grown vegetables because, you know, partially if you don't eat veal, you shouldn't eat baby vegetable either. You know, it just takes a lot of money, a lot of effort to grow them. And so I have these big beets that are about, I don't know, a pound each. And one thing, if you roast them, how much you roast the beet for really depends on how big the beet is. So a lot of recipe online say 40 minutes, but these babies here cooked for 2 hours at 350 last night. And the way to know if a beet is ready is if you put a fork right through it, it should go in without resistance. But, oh, I got it. I want to take the time to just show you how quickly you can cut them, slice them, and then we'll talk about combination of flavors. Okay. Maybe it's not that easy. And they smell so good. So good. So the beans are all set to go, and I'm gonna dress them with a little vinaigrette. It's mustard and oil, no vinegar, because I don't want to make them too pickled in flavor. And I'm gonna top them with a little bit of cheese. Salt. Don't forget to add the salt. Well, I like goat cheese on beads. I like blue cheese on beads. So today we're gonna put on some Humboldt Fog, a California cheese that's just delicious, and it's kind of a combination. It's like I think of it as a goat blue. If I were a vegetarian, I would also add some nuts to the salad, or if I just wasn't having any meat with them today. So I'm gonna, you know, your choice of nuts. It could be pecans, it could be walnuts, it could be cashew. Just kind of crunch them up and put them in the salad, and you would have a fantastic salad with little bit of fat from the cheese, the protein from the nuts, all together a very, very good rounded dish. And here we have it, our beautiful beet salad starring a sausage. Hello everybody, this is Paola Ferrario with Choose a Knife. I hope you had enjoyed my video and that you will subscribe to my channel. For now, stay safe and stay healthy in this time of pandemic, and keep cooking. Take care.